You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature. Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop Butch. I'm just feeling it today.
This looks familiar, LPS Dave.
Yes, we have shown this in a video previously. It said one day, maybe we'll do some of those experiments.
Is that why you're feeling it? Because this is the day?
I think so. I kind of like when we were doing all those experiments together in a little series, and
Big science guy, LPS Dave.
And like 3 people watched it. It was great.
So tripled our normal views.
Yeah. So this was originally from Thames and Kosmos, way back when. We've already thanked them. STEM experiment kit, ages 6+, Ooze Labs Alien Slime Lab. Includes lab station tools and slime ingredients.
All you need for fun and slime.
10 out of this world fun, slimy, safe experiments. 28-piece set, 10 experiments. There's a 24-page manual.
Oh my goodness. Almost a page for every piece.
I think what we're going to do is, like in the past, maybe just do a few today, 1 or 2. Like, we got to get the set open. We got to check it out. We got to learn about it. Someone's got to read all that paragraph there.
Oh my goodness.
Someone named Butch.
Hey, as lead chemist in your very own out-of-this-world laboratory. Hey, can I be lead chemist?
You are the lead chemist.
Yes. It's your job to identify UFOs. Oh, forget it. I'm out. I'm not lead chemist. I resign.
Well, unidentified funky oozes.
Okay, I'm back in. Set up and use your lab station to mix up batches of unidentified alien slime and conduct tests on them to analyze and investigate their special properties. Mold your own glowing slime alien. Test the slime's Viscosity. Dissect glowing slime alien. Test the slime's viscosity. Did that. Dissect the slime with a toy scalpel and tweezers. That's right up your alley. And explore slime that changes color with heat. Oh my.
Mix up 4 different types of slime. Okay, I get it. All right, well, I'll tell you what. It looks pretty elaborate, if that's it right there.
Oh my.
Oh, base stations connect. So this is one of the base stations.
Oh, good.
I was thinking to myself, ooh, this is going to be one long...
What have we gotten ourselves into?
Video. But let's get it out of the box. Okay, Butch.
What do you mean I was being obnoxious? I've never been obnoxious in a video before, LPS Dave.
Well, we've always said our relationship is what you see on camera is the way our relationship is. Not perfect.
No, perfect.
There's times that...
So true.
Butch just, I don't know. I hate to say it, Butch. You're one of the best friends I've had.
I will never measure up, LPS Dave.
No, you measure up for sure. All right. Well, here are a whole bunch of decals. Don't know what you do with all those.
I like that.
That sounds
Good place
like a
to
project.
start.
You got some baggies of stuff. Now, anytime you got baggies of stuff, you got to open up the little baggies. All right, so you have some kind of sparkly, some pink, some teal, some green, and some lime green coloring. You've got a couple
Those are your
eyeballs.
basic slime colors.
Yeah. I'll leave the eyeballs in the pack there. And then the booklet, which they said is included, right? And then, let's see. Oh, this big bag. Well, this one is resealable.
Very convenient.
More parts and pieces. Where does that go? Where does that go? Where does that go?
Oh, you can do it, LPS Dave.
Where does all of this go? And then some tubules. You got a couple tubules.
That's a specific, very technical science term.
Yeah, tubule. Yeah. And you got some Twizzlers. You can never be short of Twizzlers.
Twizzlers.
You've got some Petri dishes. You've got a little scalpel.
Oh.
A couple little things. And another little thing. And then
there's a lot of things, LPS Dave.
I had to get it all in the bags. I don't mean to throw it. I'm not throwing it. I'm just kind of like telling myself.
I have to go through and sort it all out again now. You should have sorted the things from the things. I think that would have been best.
Well, it's always good for parents who watch our videos. We have a lot of parents watch our videos. They're kind of faced with the same thing. They look at this pile and they say to themselves, how does it get all put in place?
Oh, boy, do they ever.
Well, they watch this video.
They call me all the time, LPS Dave. They're like, Butch, please explain this to me. And I say, okay, hold on. They put you on hold. Let me get LPS Dave for you.
All right. We are set. We are going to come back now, follow these steps, and put it all together.
Lab station assembly.
Are you ready? All right. Butch, I've been kind of taking out the things that I know I don't need. These look like things I do need. This I don't need. Okay, so first they show this piece, which looks like it's going to go in here, but they want this on, And 1, 2, the third hole down. Okay, make that a check.
That would be a check, LPS Dave.
Okay, so that is like that. Any parents out there, just follow that exactly, and you will get it right.
You know, the nice thing about this is you can pause this.
Yes.
Or, once again, if you'd like to call LPS Dave anytime on his cell phone.
Yeah, no, stop it there.
Call 555.
All right, so one of these here. Okay, it looks like they're kind of universal. You can go either way, and then one way up here. Way
Hey, you
up
remember
here.
that video where I gave out your cell phone number? That was the best.
Was I there?
Well, I think so.
Okay.
Well, we'll leave that out there as a challenge. Anybody who wants to watch all 6,000 videos, you can find it. It's there.
I don't know about that. Okay, so this looks like it goes here. Okay, so let's do this one piece of the puzzle at a
It's amazing, LPS Dave. In the midst of all these distractions, you're able to keep focused.
Yes, and I didn't even know that I put those in right. There's two different sizes there. One
How
for the
about
top
that?
and one for the bottom. Or two small ones. Let me see. Or two big ones. It doesn't really say. Let's do this.
They all look the same size.
I know, they
LPS
do, but
Dave.
they're not. I think this one goes here, and this one goes here. They're not. They're three different sizes. Let's put the small one here, and let's just see. Yep, the small one holds the small tube.
Yes.
This holds this.
Yes.
Yes.
Boy, that makes a lot of sense now.
Yes. And then this goes in here. And then, let's see, the tools, this little shape goes in here.
Aha.
It fits right in there. Did you see
Sure
how that
does.
fit in there?
Boy,
Pretty
does it
cool.
ever. And a little spot for your
Where's
finger
this?
to pull it out.
Oh, there should be two more caps and a tube. All right, well, I'll have to study that. Now, maybe when you put an end here. No, I don't know. All right, I don't see this tube. And then the Petri dishes all go here. Okay.
That fits.
And then the scalpel tool, the tweezers. I think they don't really show a place for them, but we'll just set them here. They look good there. That
Good
there.
plan.
Got another tool. And then this is what connects the sets together. So we don't really
I
need this.
gotcha.
And then this, I don't know where this goes. All right, well, maybe I left something in the bag. I don't know. I think otherwise we are set to go.
I'm going on a hunt, LPS Dave.
You could do that. But we are set. We are going to come back now and check out the experiments. Add the sticker to the base station and equipment.
Aha! Oh, this is your favorite part. This is where those steady fingers get to come into use.
Steady fingers. All right, let's see. I kind of like this, the black strips. That's
Caution.
like warning, yes.
Caution.
Warning, warning. Okay. Ooh, speaking of caution,
Aha!
let's put that right in front. Caution, warning, warning, caution.
Are these free-form stickers, LPS Dave? You can put them wherever you like, or is there a pattern to this?
No
I
pattern.
wonder?
It says put the stickers on the base. It didn't say
Just like
follow
that.
any particular pattern. Analyzing, analyzing, analyzing.
Yes.
You got to say everything 3 times, see?
That's right. That's a technical thing that scientists
Yes.
do.
Splat, splat, splat. Oh, another strip. Okay. This is another warning, warning, warning.
Wow.
That's pretty neat.
This is
I
turned
do
into a
like-
lab right now. It's starting to look more lab-like.
Yeah, that's why I think this is a good addition to the whole process. You're actually performing an additional task by applying these on. There, look at that. How's that? Is that cool or what? I think
Fancy.
I really like the splats. There's just something about splats I like.
You experience a lot of splats around the shop when I'm eating back there, LPS Dave.
There's a couple little dials. Ooh, what are these big green ones? They look like they go right there. That's where they go. That's where I'm putting them.
I like it.
There's no right, there's no wrong. There's the way you want to do it.
I like that. That's a good motto. I'm going to put that on a bumper sticker.
Really? Okay, well, let me know if you sell any of those. We'll put the money towards the toy fund. How's that?
I like it.
All right, I would say we will come back now, get an experiment set up, and I'll see if I can find said missing pieces or study that a little bit more. And we will be back. Wait, ooh, I like this one. There we go. right. I think I like this little dial too.
Oh, can you put some up on that second level up by the beaker, LPS, Dave?
Up by the beaker. Like this side or the
Other side.
Ooh, like in here? I didn't think about it.
Yes.
Well, you know what?
Dress it up.
I have to say,
Caution.
you're a great assistant.
Thanks, LPS, Dave. Wait, I'm the lead chemist, aren't I?
Yeah.
Where'd the assistant thing go? Hold on a second here.
We're supposed to be starting the experiment, so let's come back and do that. Huh?
You can't help yourself with stickers, I know.
I know. I just want to keep putting them on. Okay.
Oh boy, LPS, Dave.
Now, Butch and I were checking out the set, and we saw this and then realized, remember earlier I was trying to stick this on?
That's correct.
That is your rolling pin. So it's a two-in-one unit. Now, which way? It goes that way. Okay, and then you got a little rolling pin.
Very convenient.
All right, so thank you for sending us everything correctly. All right, experiment Emmanuel. Now, I'm your assistant, so I must read.
Read, LPS, Dave. Every single word.
Please observe the safety information and the instructions for handling experiment materials on this page.
Okay, that's enough. Next.
Okay. All right. Okay, there's all the stuff we got. Cool stuff. And then that's the checklist. Check, check, check. Advice for supervising adults.
Yes.
Got to find one of those.
Good plan.
All right. Safety
LPS,
rules.
Dave, can I just say?
Yeah, go ahead.
This set is quite nice. It's look at the height of it. It's
Yeah.
very nicely set up for a lab.
It is.
As a scientist, I like to mention that.
Okay, great. Thanks. Hello, extraterrestrial researcher. Thank you for joining us on this mission. We need your help. Okay, that's all that there. We want to get to the experiment. This is what we set up. Okay, set up. That's where I was a little confused. They show that there and then that there. They should have just had an arrow going to there saying it's the same thing.
Yes,
Hello. Hello. All right. Assignment 1. Rehydrate the yellow slime powder. Conduct viscosity and gas tests on the powder. So we're going to do the viscosity.
I'll do the gas test, LPS, Dave.
So let's skip all this.
Whew, beans for lunch.
There is our yellow alien powder. Okay. Rehydrate the yellow alien slime. Assignment 1. Rehydrate slime powder. Conduct viscosity and gas tests of the powder. Rehydrate the yellow alien slime. You will need large test tube.
Check.
Wait, you say that. Oh, wait, who says the check now? The assistant or the boss?
Well, I think in this case, since you are reading the experiment role, I will take the check role.
Lid.
Check.
Base station. Syringe. Small test tube.
Check.
Packet of yellow
Check.
slime.
Check.
Spatula. Water.
Check.
Scissors. Okay.
Check.
Spatula. Water. Scissors. Okay, here we go. Scissors. Oh, I gotta bring in my own scissors.
Scissors not included.
Place the large test tube into the holder on the base station.
Check on that, LPS, Dave.
Okay, all right, that's there. All right, you see that there? Let's get the lid off. It is a twisty wisty.
Yes.
Fill
Threaded.
the test tube with 75 mil of water.
75 milliliters, LPS, Dave. That's metric.
To measure this, you can use the small test tube, which is here, which will give you 10 millimeters at a time, or the syringe, which can measure 25. I say we go with this one. Huh?
Yeah, 25.
Okay, you'll see the numbers on the side. So you keep track now. I will do, you will keep
Careful.
track.
How about that?
Okay, now,
That's 20, LPS, Dave.
tell me what to do.
25. Okay, now what you want to do is just for fun, you want to squirt that right back into the water.
Okay. Stay on track. As the lead scientist, you must keep all of your personnel on track.
That's really hard to do, LPS, Dave. It's hard to keep myself on track, I have to
There you
say.
go. There's number 2. I like that.
Nicely done.
And number 3.
We need 3 of those, LPS, Dave, because 25 times 3 equals
84.
close.
That's why I'm glad you're in charge.
Try, though.
Okay, that's going to make a healthy amount of slime. I will leave that out. Now, fill the test tube. Did you want to read it to me? Maybe it's easier since you were the lead, and then I can just...
Maybe that's a better idea.
I think so. All right, so I just finished the part with the pouring the water in, okay?
Let's see. Place large test tube. Fill the test tube. Open the packet of slime, LPS Dave.
Open the packet of slime.
Slime powder using a pair of scissors.
Then what?
And be careful. Doesn't say that, but do not use your teeth, which you are known to do.
It does say that. I'm going to move this so this is closer to the peeps out there.
Nice.
And then you just do your thing.
Okay, so do not use your teeth. Be careful not to get any of the powder in your eyes or mouth.
Yeah,
Very good advice on all those things.
That's an affirmative. Okay, go.
All right, you cut that open.
Okay, cut it
And
open.
then what you want to do is you want to pour all of the powder slowly into the tube and avoid creating airborne dust.
Okay.
You're getting all these safety things. It's
Got
very
it.
good. Parents out there, this is a good safe
All right, so
instructions.
pour all of it in
Yes, no dust.
before you start mixing.
And then mix all the powder into the water with the spatula.
A spatula.
Yes, nicely done, not creating dust out here, Dave. You have your spatula handy?
Spatula is handy.
Mix it up.
Okay.
Very nice. Nice mix. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to close the test tube with the lid and shake it for 30 seconds. And then you let it sit for a few minutes and then suck up 10 mLs of the slime solution into the syringe.
I tell you what, I think this is a good time for you to come out with your shake song. Here we go.
Oh.
1 and a 2 and a 3, go.
Oh, let's go shaking, 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 shaking. Let's go shaking,
that's
shaking,
10
shaking,
seconds.
shaking, shaking,
Okay.
shaking, 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 shaking.
That's your shaking song?
Let's go.
That's your shaking song? Okay.
It made you shake it, didn't it? Come
20
on.
seconds.
Oh, let's keep it shaking, 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 shaking.
Got it,
shaking,
got it.
shaking, shaking,
Okay,
shaking,
what do you
shaking.
think, 30 seconds?
Let's go shaking, 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 shaking.
Okay, I feel good about that.
All right,
Now
LPS Dave. You need to let it sit for a few minutes. Do you want me to sing the "Let's Wait and Sit for a Few Minutes"
No,
song?
I'm good.
After that, you're going to suck it up in the syringe, 10 mLs, and then immediately proceed to experiment 1.
Okay, so why don't you start reading that? We have 2 minutes so that we know what to do. Go.
Experiment 1. Here's what you'll need. You'll need the yellow slime, which we've just created, the syringe, and the base station.
Got it.
And what you do is, starting with the syringe filled with 10 mLs of liquid slime solution from the previous experiment, attach the syringe to the clips on the base station. Then slowly push down on the syringe plunger to squeeze some solution out of the syringe into the base below. And then wait 20 minutes until the slime has completely solidified.
So that's a big word.
A lot of waiting, LPS Dave. Then you remove the syringe from the base station and pull the plunger all the way out of the syringe tube. Pick up the solidified slime from the basin and push it into the syringe tube. I'm a little lost now, LPS Dave.
Has it
I'm
been
way
2
ahead.
minutes? About a minute and a half. Keep talking.
Oh, we're waiting for the slime to solidify.
Yes.
You gotta be patient. Wait a few minutes.
Yes.
We're waiting for the slime to solidify. It doesn't look ready to me yet.
I think it does, because the 20 minutes in the air is what's going to cause it to probably...
Okay, LPS Dave, grab your syringe.
Okay, let me take the cap
You're gonna
off.
need to take the cap off.
Yeah,
for
I
sure.
thought maybe it would do it on its own, but... Okay, take the cap off. 10 mil.
10 mLs.
10 mLs. Okay. Ooh, this is so exciting.
Sure is. We are actually rehydrating an alien from this.
Okay, there's 10 mLs. Now what?
Okay. 10 mLs. You need to let it sit for a little while, I think, don't you?
I don't know. I thought
Let
it
the
was
remaining
after
contents sit. Let's see, in the syringe for experiment 1. Immediately proceed to experiment 1. Okay, starting with the syringe filled with 10 mLs of the liquid slime solution from the previous experiment, attach the syringe to the clips on the... Got it. You didn't say check on that.
Check.
Slowly push down on the syringe plunger to
Okay.
squeeze some solution out of the syringe into the basin.
Go back and read that. I'm going to get the camera set here. We want to see this exciting step here.
Good idea.
All right. We need complete silence as we do this next step.
Yes.
Here
It says slowly push down on the syringe plunger to squeeze some solution out of the syringe into the basin below.
here we
Just
go.
some.
My hands up there and squeeze. Oh, cool. I'll do 5. Okay, now what?
Wait 20 minutes until the slime is completely solidified.
Okay, so not all of it? The picture shows all of it, doesn't it?
I don't know. It says some, LPS Dave. I don't know what that means. Remove the syringe from the base station and pull the plunger all the way out of the syringe tube. Pick up the solidified slime from the basin and push it into the syringe tube. So you must have to dump it.
Dump it?
Get rid of it, LPS Dave.
I'm with you, bro. There we go. Mm-hmm. Let's go rinse that. All right, we're going to come back in, 20 minutes it said?
20 minutes.
All right, we'll be back, everybody.
I'll set my internal clock.
Thank you. Mm-hmm. All right, we're back, Butch. Whew.
I think that got pretty slimy, LPS Dave.
We will see. We have not touched it in any way except for my finger. Just kidding.
So we've waited the 20 minutes. Mm-hmm. The slime has completely solidified, which you kind of have to test with your finger, don't you?
Yeah, yeah.
And the idea here is, LPS Dave, what you're going to be able to experience is viscosity.
Viscosity.
Because when you put that liquidy stuff in there first, it shot right out of there, didn't it?
Yes, it was.
Now what you're going to do is you're going to take that slime that you just made and you're going to jam it into the syringe again.
Okay, put it in the syringe.
It doesn't say jam.
Okay. Ooh, pop.
Pick up the solidified slime from the basin
look at that.
and push it into the syringe tube.
Well, it's just going to want to do its own thing.
Look at that. Let it ooze on
I guess push it in. Yeah, okay, go ahead.
And then reinsert the plunger into the syringe tube. Push the slime out of the syringe again.
Okay, let's get the air out.
What do you observe, LPS?
I'm getting the air out. It's like a doctor.
I'm guessing this is going to take some muscle.
Doctor. Okay, there we go. All right, now, where do I shoot it now?
Right back into that little...
Back into here?
Yeah.
Right there. Mm-hmm. Let's get a real tight close-up shot. Mm-hmm. You being the lead scientist.
I already know what's going to happen, LPS Dave. Okay. I am the lead scientist.
Here we go.
Major in this.
Okay, give me... here we go. Are you ready? Mm-hmm. So, this guy...
Take some muscle.
It might remind us of something else here. There we go. Oh, look at that.
Look at that. Spaghetti.
Yeah. So that is viscosity. So when we first mixed it, it was really... Can I do this?
That'll be hard, LPS Dave.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
It's working.
Let me tell you, just from a science perspective, LPS Dave...
Wait, it's breathing.
Oh,
hold on.
Look at that.
Hold on.
What? This is not in the instructions, LPS Dave. As a lead scientist, I am highly against...
What?
Oh, boy.
Well, experimenting. You just don't know what's going to happen. All right, go ahead. Okay, go ahead. Sorry.
I just want to tell you what's happening here.
All right, go ahead.
What's happening is that the slime was easier to push through the syringe the first time. The slime solution became thicker or more viscous.
Viscous, big word.
Over the course of the experiment. Viscosity is the scientific term for the measure of a fluid's resistance to deformation. Oh boy, I know a lot about that. Which is the change in shape. By forces applied to it. Honey is more viscous than vegetable oil, which is more viscous than water, and peanut butter is more viscous than oil.
Excuse me, Mr. Viscous, I'm going to do it again. I'm going to bring the lighting down. It's a little bright. So
fire away, LPS.
Here we go. So you keep reading there. Well, stop reading. Hold on.
That's it. No more reading.
Listen.
Nice.
Oh, that's a nice sound. Ooh.
Oh, yeah. That's for the next experiment.
There is another experiment?
You were talking about gas.
Oh, that's right up your alley, isn't it?
So to speak.
Okay, so let's get to the next experiment. We've seen that now, and we're going to try the next experiment.
Yes, sir.
So, by the way, I just want to let you know that you're doing a great job as the lead scientist.
Thanks, LPS Dave. This is new to me. It's very exciting. And you, as the assistant, you got a little work to do, but you're doing okay.
Thanks. Next.
Whew. All right, LPS Dave, here's the slime gas test. This is experiment 2. What you need is the Petri dish.
Okay, got it.
You're going to need the base station.
Got it.
The yellow slime.
Got it.
And the...
Can I just pour this on there?
It doesn't... We didn't get there yet.
Okay, sorry, go ahead.
Place the bottom half of the Petri dish in the holder in the base station.
Check.
Put some yellow slime into the Petri dish.
Some.
That's a kind of a vague term they like to use in this. It's not very scientific, I have to say.
Not the whole thing. Now, I wanted to point out to you, Mister. This can also listen here like that, see?
How about that?
Okay, all right, go ahead.
Okay, so some into the old Petri dish. That's quite sloppy.
It looks like it almost glows in the dark, doesn't it?
I wonder.
Okay, there we are. Some.
Okay, we're going to insert the tip of the...
Get it.
That's all.
Okay, too much?
I think we can make it work.
All right.
It might be more gassy if you do it. Let's do it.
Slow down. All right, let me get some on there. Okay.
It does not say to manhandle it. I'm not sure about that.
Okay, there we go. Oh, too much.
Oh my goodness. Oh, this is chaos. Oh, what's happening?
Wait, start over.
This is not scientific.
Okay, that's why you're normally the assistant,
Oh my
and
goodness. It's chaos, LPS Dave. I say
Okay,
chaos.
chaos. All right, good chaos. I'll correct my
Now
ways
you're
here.
getting all your hand oils in there. I don't
That's
know if
okay.
that's the right
That's
thing.
okay.
It doesn't say to handle it. It's only with the pipette.
Okay, I got it. I'm good.
Well, from here, LPS Dave, what you want to do is
okay.
insert the tip of the pipette into the slime.
Hold on a second. All right.
Oh boy, I don't know if this. I can't work under these conditions.
Hold
LPS
on
Dave.
a second. I get just start over.
Oh, I need a new assistant.
Start everything over. Go back to the
Is lefty handy? Lefty.
All right, here we go. I'm ready. Okay, now the pipette.
Insert the tip of the pipette into the slime. Squeeze the pipette to blow air into the slime.
Okay, into the slime.
Can you inflate the slime, LPS Dave? That's the question.
Well, no, it's in this. Oh,
It might be a little too thick, I think. It might be a little too much slime.
I think the tool is this is the wrong tool. All right, let me just get it underneath there because I've done this type of stuff before.
Not a lot of air, LPS Dave.
No.
You need more air. Oh, there it is.
Did you see it?
I did.
What's happening is it's stopping it from going back. This is some sticky slime.
Sticky slime.
Okay, here we go. Just let it do its thing. Let it there. Okay, you're ready. Here we go. And a 1, and a 2, and a 3.
I thought it would be better.
Yeah. Well,
Not very impressive.
I tell you what. Let's try this here. Maybe this will get a little more air. I know what they're going for.
We want to make end up trying to make some funny sounds too.
I'll tell you what. Everybody at home, moms, dads.
Let's get the shop vac.
No, just get a straw. I'll show you. Keep talking there.
My able-bodied assistant is going to be taking over now for the instructions, and oh my, he's brought in the big
guns here. Big guns.
Dave. Oh, that's a lot more air capacity right there.
How's that?
Ha! Perfect.
Hey, now.
Funny sounds.
Do I know what I'm doing or what?
You are the master.
Or maybe or what? I don't know. Here, let's take that. Let's take that.
Ooh, that's sloppy.
Let's take this here. Okay.
Oh boy. I would like to have a little ceremony. I am officially handing the reins as the lead scientist over to you, LPS Dave.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
I like what you do in the lab.
Okay. Yeah, I'm going a little crazy here, everybody, and the mad scientist has just gone mad. Are you ready for a big bubble?
Mm-hmm.
How is that?
Wow!
Do I know what I'm doing?
You are the slime master general, LPS Dave.
Oh, get stuck on that there. Hold on a second. Okay, wait. There we go. All right, I think I got that stuck.
Oh my
there,
goodness!
Got that up there.
This is crazy. It's craziness.
It is. All right, so I think we've done that. What's left in this part of the world?
Well, I got
here?
this whole long thing I could read about the
Yeah,
scientific.
give us a little, and then we'll wrap it up.
Well, although it may appear to be a solid, the slime is actually a very viscous liquid.
Okay, viscous.
Viscous means thick, LPS Dave.
That's cool. I like that word, viscous.
Yes. I think it's more fun to watch than to read.
Yeah, well, you read, I'll play. This way, everybody.
The atoms of solids are packed together densely and have fixed positions in space relative to each other, like bricks in a wall, which makes solids rigid. Liquids have atoms that are packed less densely than are those of solids. And while solids form a rigid shape, liquids move freely, as we're seeing here. But when liquids are poured into a container, they must conform to the shape of the container, except for possibly one surface, like the surface of water in a fish tank.
Let's just see. Let's take your theory here. What's your theory?
My theory, LPS Dave, is that that is a highly viscous material, and if you put that into that tube and then blow, it possibly explode.
It's gonna explode.
It may explode.
There's an exploding experiment. Okay, let's just see what happens here. I like being your assistant, but yeah, I just feel like I need to be really in the thick of things here. Whew. Here we go.
Careful. Everybody stand back.
Oh yeah, we're gonna get.
Oh,
all right.
Why don't they have this included in the experiment?
I don't know.
Fun. Oh boy.
Look at that.
Oh boy, I haven't experienced that before. Oh yeah. That was after dinner. That was after breakfast. That was in the bathtub. Oh boy, motorboat.
There we go. Motorboat. I'm done. I'm done.
When did we get a whirlpool, LPS Dave, with the whirlpool jets?
All right.
It's just me.
Okay, wrap it up.
Wrap it up.
Yeah, we're done. We've done experiment 1.
And 2.
Oh,
we have thoroughly understood viscous and gases.
Okay.
Boy, have we ever.
How about everybody tell us what they like the best? Did they like it just squirting out into the little tray into the back? Did they like it when I was making a big bubble there? Or did they like it when I was making a huge bubble here?
Gas sounds.
Or did they like this last one, the gas sounds?
I'm into gas sounds.
Listen to that. Shh, quiet.
Bloop. Bloop.
And there you go, everybody. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Butch and I had a real viscous time together. With
literally hours of fun, LPS Dave.
Hours. And follow along. We're going to come back later at some point and do another few experiments.
Yes, we will.
And thanks for watching, everybody. Later.
Bye-bye, everybody.
That was a little high-pitched.
Bye, everybody.
Are you okay?
It's viscous, LPS Dave.
Oh. If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
pick it up.